welcome back to another episode of Mary's Makes and Mends. Today I'm showing you how I made these super cute and easy Hobbit feet out of an old pair of Crocs. This is part one of a series of videos I'll be releasing over the next few weeks showing you how to make this whole Hobbit costume, which I wore to Fan Expo in Toronto to actually meet the real Hobbits. Anyone who knows me knows how much I love Lord of the Rings, so this was a very special day that I'll be sure to remember forever. Now moving on to making your own Hobbit feet. For this project you'll need a pair of Crocs. These are the ones that I keep in my fire bags for work to wear as my camp shoes, so they've definitely seen some better days. You'll also need some felt. I used 5 pieces, but you may need more than that depending on the size of your Crocs. I used an old furry pom-pom for the hairy feet. Fabric stores usually sell faux fur though, if you don't have something like this. And last but not least, you'll need some sturdy glue. I ended up just using shoe glue for this since I'll be walking around a lot in these. I started with the back of the shoe first. I just kind of found what worked best for me, keeping the felt tight around the shoe and gluing it down as I went. You'll probably have to cut off the excess felt at the bottom of the shoe so that it's not too bulky. For the front part of the shoe, I did pretty much the same thing and folded the felt at either side of the shoe so that it had an even crease. If there are some wonky creases on your shoe, I wouldn't worry about it too much. You can always cover that up with fur later. This is how they look so far. I think they look a little bit like clogs. I traced out the sole of the shoe on another piece of felt and then cut this out and glued it on. I drew out the toes first in pencil and then with a brown marker. I added some shoe glue around the opening of the shoe, then I started patching the fur on. I thought that they were looking pretty good at this point, but they just didn't seem furry enough to me. I asked my husband Eric for his opinion, and he ended up helping me out with the rest of the project since he has some experience with hairy feet. I'm really happy with how these turned out. They were so comfy to walk around at the convention as well. I also wanted to say that the Hobbit feet in the movies took the cast 3 hours to put on every morning, and these only take me 10 seconds, so I'd say it's pretty clear that mine are better. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DIY videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every Sunday, and in the coming weeks, I'll be showing you how I made the rest of this costume. Bye for now!